What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2014 Toyota Camry. So if we look at the remote, there is a slot at the bottom of it right here, and we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to go ahead and separate the remote. So we're going to just stick it in here, and we're going to give it a little bit of a twist. Okay, you can see how the remote opens up like that. All right, we're just going to take this guy apart like this. Okay, so we're going to hold the remote with the buttons facing down. When you do take it apart, the buttons will get nice and loose, so just keep holding it like this. And we're going to take this part out. This is the part that holds the battery. Okay, everything down. Okay, so now we're looking at this part right here. We're going to open this part up, and we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to just pry it open. We're going to go all around these little clips. Okay, you can see how it opens right up. And here's the battery. Okay, we're going to pry the battery out. Get a new one. So our new battery size is going to be a CR 2016, and we're going to have the positive side facing up. And we're just going to put it in here on one side, push it in, and get our cover. Snap it back on. Okay. You'll see this is the side with the button. Okay, so all the buttons are nice and loose, so we want to hold it like this. Just stick it right back on there, and we just get our cover, snap it back on, and we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Catch you guys in the next video.